Hello mga kabayan, kumusta po? I hope all is well. Sa video na ito, papakita ko po sa inyo ang bagong procedure kung paano po mag-apply ng OEC Online or Online Processing System for Balik Manggagawa. Let's start! So ayon po sa advisory ng Philippine Overseas Labor Office about sa POEA Online Processing System for Balik Manggagawa, as part of the continuous effort of the POEA to expedite the process of issuing Overseas Employment Certificates or OECs to returning overseas workers or Balik Manggagawa, the BM Online system will be replaced by the POEA Online Processing System for Balik Manggagawa, a new web-based processing system effective June 30, 2021. So this new system covers all Balik Manggagawa workers as follows: returning documented overseas Filipino workers, undocumented workers or workers not previously registered with the POEA, workers with no existing record of deployment with the POEA or the POLO, and workers who change employment or employer on site, including workers who transferred or entered into a new employment contract from employer to another. So before po tayo mag-start about sa procedure kung paano po gumawa ng profile nyo sa new system, ito po yung mga following rules. So please take note of the following rules. Number 1, only one OFW, one e-registration account only. Number 2, ensure that you only provide correct or factual information and always check your details before submitting your personal information. Submitted information cannot be manually changed, corrected, edited, such as name, gender, birth date, and email address. Number 3, request to correct any of above-mentioned critical personal information shall be done by filing an electronic ticket under the POEA help desk accessible at onlineservices.poea.gov.ph. Number 4, frequent commission of errors, mistake, misdeclaration involving any of the mentioned critical personal information may be construed as misrepresentation and shall subject the concerned BM worker to legal action. Number 5, you will not be allowed to acquire a new OEC unless it has expired, cancelled, or already been used for deployment to resume employment overseas. Number 6, OECs have 60-day validity and can only be used once for the job site and employer indicated therein. And lastly, your passport must be valid for at least 6 months. So let's start po sa step-by-step procedure kung paano mag-register sa POEA Online Processing System for Balik Manggagawa or PAPSBAM. First, visit niyo po yung website na yan, https://onlineservices.poea.gov.ph. After that, pumunta po sa onlineservices.poea.gov.ph. Ito po yung makikita nyo, e-registration. I-click lang po yung Let's Go button. After that, click ang Register link. Then, basahin po yung Terms of Use and Privacy Statement. Then, click nyo po yung I accept the Terms of Use button. Step 5, sagutan ang registration form and i-click ang Register button. So, ilagay nyo po yung first name nyo, middle name, last name, suffix name kung meron, gender, email address, and birth date. And meron din mga paalala dito. So, use only an active email address for account registration. This will enable you to receive the email confirmation for the account activation in the e-registration system. If no email confirmation received, do not attempt to create or register another account by altering or changing the personal information. like the first name, middle name, last name, birthday, and passport number. Ensure that the information provided here are true and correct to the best of your knowledge. Any false information, misinterpretation provided may result to cancellation of your privilege to use the e-registration system version 2 and disqualification of your application. If you have encountered any problems, you might call or ask help from the crewing or money agency because they are in direct contact with POEA, or contact POEA directly with these contact details. So, yung nakalagay po yung hotline ng POEA dito tsaka yung email address nila. After that, step 6 na po tayo. Papadala sa inyong email ang inyong panandaliang password at e-registration number. So, ayan. Then after that, ulitin ang step 1 at step 2, mag-login gamit ang panandaliang password na pinadala sa inyong email. Step 8, hihingan kayo ng panibagong password at ilagay ang password na madali niyong matandaan. Step 9, pumunta sa My Profile at punan ang inyong informasyon. Ayan, sa My Dashboard po sa kaliwang side, meron din ng My Profile, My Education, My Experience, My Documents, My Resume, and log out. So, make sure po na punan lahat ng information sa My Profile. Step 10, i-click ang Balik Manggagawa module para makakuha ng OEC appointment or exception. So, that's it. Yun po ang paraan kung paano po makakuha ng OEC appointment or exemption online. So, thank you for watching. Bye!